I want to do some with and for veterans. Sailing has been wonderful for me. It's provided solace and comfort, and I think it's quite powerful for veterans. We're getting more volunteers, and they're finding more veterans. Wooden Boats for Veterans has 3 programs: introducing veterans to the sport of sailing, and then sail training, so those veterans that really enjoy it and they want to develop skills. And then third, the vocational opportunities, so the folks that are really working on the boats and are looking for their next vocation, we're going to help them. Sunda is a 1941 Ben Seaborn sloop. Veterans and wooden boats need each other.